Okay, so today I have a really big unboxing for you. 40 inches of unboxing. I just bought a Sony Bravia EX720. 40 inch, 3D capable, Edge LED, wireless ready, X reality, internet TV, motion flow 200 Hz. So let's get started. So when we open up, we have the remote, standard Sony remote. Not sure if this is the one with the button on the back. Could be, I'm not sure. Yeah, it is, the one with the button on the back. It has a button on the back here, which is a power button. Put that there. We have some screws and an Allen key. The base stand, I'm guessing it's really heavy. Okay, next we pull out cardboard, and we have some instructions. We have, got that. There's a base. It's there. And in here, obviously, the TV. And some manuals. Okay. So, we're going to have to put this down for a minute. Alright, now I have the TV out of the box. No problem. Here are the instructions. Putting the base up. So wait, no, that's step 2. Okay, step 1. Get this big old thingy here. And get this and put it into here. Okay. So wait. You grab so we turn this way so it's facing the I'll get back to you once I work out this. Okay, so I worked it out. You get this little thing notch here and put it into here and twist. Like that. Then you get the screws, which are here. Fold it up this way. As you can see, there's instructions on the packet. So there's, and it tells you which screws do which thing. So okay, so now we get these, and we put them in there. And then just twist like that. There we go. That's in place. And now it's just this one. I hate this thing. Okay, easily. Now we've got to attach it to the TV. So we're going to have this one. There's a mounting bracket on the back of the TV. Okay, so now I have the TV out of the box. It's time to attach it to the stand, I guess. I don't know how I'm going to go about this. Put it over here. Hey. So we need to find the stand, which is probably in the box. Good. Okay, so this comes out of the box like this. Take it like this. Okay, so this goes in here, over those. Okay, so we've got the TV out of the packaging. And yeah, so I'm gonna hook everything up. So I'll just show you around the back. So on the back we have the power cord, and these are, we have an Ethernet, TV antenna, composite component, PC, audio port, optical, 3 HDMI's there, a USB, an HDMI, a PC in, and audio out. So I'll just get all the cords set up and I'll show you the setup. So now I can get the back off from my, somehow. Let's put it down. Okay, so it opens up like this. So get the batteries, triple A's. No, you're not getting it. Alright, so we've got the remote, batteries in and stuff, so here we go, static. Alright, so it's, camera's not focusing. Okay. English. The TV needs to be initialized for approximately 40 seconds. During this time, the picture and sound will be unavailable, and the front indicator will blink orange. So as you can see, it's orange, red. Here we go. Static again. So English, Australia, New South Wales. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. To optimize the sound for the built-in speakers, select how your TV is positioned. Tabletop. Start. Now it's just searching for all the TV stations. While it's doing that, let's give you a look at the remote. So we have an on button, obviously, input button, menu, track ID, that's like Shazam, 3D, digital analog. This is a 3D TV, but I don't have the glasses for it. Home button, sync menu, guide, return, options, no idea, and your channel buttons and volume buttons. So it's your standard Sony remote, and on the back you have a power button, and it says Sony, so obviously you just leave it on the table like this, flat like that, and it's got a curve sort of to it. I've noticed most Sony remotes also all have a similar sort of look to them. So it's up to 50%, 53, 54, 56. I think there should be around close to 30 stations. I'm not exactly sure. 26. Oh no, analog's gone now, so about 26-ish. I don't think there's any more. There might be one or two more. No, there's 26. Okay. We can skip that because there's no analog anymore. No. Okay. Now we have ABC1. Alright, cool. So, thanks for watching, and, yeah, bye.